When I call in, my friend run and jump and go down. Yeah. A lot. My friend live area there. When I call in, my friend run and jump and go down. Yeah. Yeah, chipmunk go down. Eat my red right now. That one chipmunk. Okay, turn left. Come back, turn left. Yeah, my friend is over there. And okay, and now, Tree squirrel come right now. You can look on the left.
Yeah.
Okay, look lại nào. Tree, two orange and one red squirrel go down right now. Okay, red squirrel. That one look like from UK. Yeah, the color.
Yeah, it does too. Yeah.
Okay, and orange. That one look like from Netherlands. Yes, that's squirrel. Okay, one more. Okay, now F4. I hope go down more for you look or you made the video beautiful more. Look like the movie Squirrel. I like it. Oh, first time I see chipmunk, not scary. Squirrel, you can yeah. Like this because always fight. Yeah, squirrel always fight chipmunk. Chipmunk on the left. Four.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is the famous Independence Palace. I guess you could say the final stand of the South Vietnamese in the Vietnam War, and sadly we won't be able to go into the Notre-Dame Cathedral here, as it's been, this monument's been stabilized, so that's sad. Move on to something else. Famous Book Street. Which leads up to Notre-Dame Church, the opposite side of where we were before. We've come out of Book Street, around near Notre-Dame, and behind me is the famous Vietnam Post Office building. I believe that is called French colonial style architecture. Beautiful looking building. We'll go inside and take a look. Just walking around heading to the market and spot out the corner of my eye this massive tree with all the roots. Reminds us of a bit of the Baleti tree in Sikihor, the magical tree. Look at that, that is unbelievable. Wow. Look at those roots or vines, unbelievable. Talk about a bit of jungle in the city, because I know that's what you would have come across out in the jungles. Wow. Sure there's some big spiders up in there, and I hate spiders. There you go, ficus. Wow. That's amazing. Ben Thanh Market.
ये ना ये कह रही है बड़े पन्ने में है ये।
Durian.
Bag of you want. The fresh food. We're strolling around heading back to our hotel, and Rona found my rule number 1.
Never make eye contact while eating a banana.
Yeah, we don't like the way Rona ate that banana. lot of grab workers, I think. This is it for our first day here, and I'm sure Rona's had a great day, her first time in another country. We've seen a lot of things, we've done a lot of walking, probably 10 k's almost by the time we get home to where we're staying, and we're just walking the local street nearby. You see Rona's there in front. We've just had our dinner and we're going to leave it at that, and more adventures to come in the next couple of days. So right now we'll say goodbye for now.
Goodbye.